Tin Man here with another adventure. Seriously though, I am at a really cool spot. You guys see on your first glance what I'm looking at here. And then you look over here. You see that work, right? See that work there? Those are markings of the beaver being hungry and not necessarily wanting to wipe out all of his trees. So this is him stripping the tree. He's been back here again, very recent. I think that might have even been, I can't guess on wood, but I'm going to get down to a better spot here. It's been raining on that stuff, but look at those teeth. Just to give you a size idea on it. See them 1, 2. That was like the last scrape. There's another scrape. I don't see what I'm seeing down there, but see the chunk of wood that she, the little guy, see his teeth are hitting here. You figure that'll might be a little more precision than that. Cool. Let's take a look at the other ones here. I don't think this is really from a beaver because he's not going to be stripping off dead bark that's that far along in its death. Because this bark was in death mode. This bark here isn't in death mode. Not completely, a little bit around the wound area, but then it heals over like this. And then once it becomes like this again, then everything within that is all alive again. The stuff out here is in too much death for a beaver to want to eat on that. That's probably why they don't come back to these spots much. Already done spot, because you figure that would be an easy spot just to start, but hello?
Remember we were trying to figure out what that chick was at the collar? It was dripping.
I don't know if any of that got on video, but a couple of people just came around the corner there with a dog, and the big guy, probably a 300-pounder or whatever, just with the big barrely voice, just talking to his woman. But I wasn't sure if a dog was about to attack me or what was going on there for a quick moment. But he was just talking with his woman there. He wasn't yelling out at me or anything. So they're walking that, so I guess you're allowed to walk down that way. I mean, I've gone on that private property right there. There's a very interesting old building there, so I'll give them a chance to get ahead, and maybe I'll go check it out. Anyways, just thought I would put on some beaver action. There we go, some good beaver action. From the Tin Man. Well, I don't get the beaver action, but I mean, you know what I mean. Peace out.